Hello guys, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. So today we are going to Manalim at Saint Joseph's Church where there is a crypt. Arco Babarista. The entire church square with the church has been lit up by Christmas colors. Here there is a crypt, there are lots of lanterns. The main square statue has been lit up by tri-colors of India. Looks nice. Let's go and look at the crypt. There is a big star saying Merry Christmas. We have the small, model houses as in all the crypts around Goa, with the main focus being the birth of Jesus Christ in the center of the crypt. Okay, there are lots of lanterns here too. These lanterns are made by the surrounding villages of the church. So, one of them will win a prize for making the best star-shaped lantern. All looks good, by the way. We are at San Jose Arial. They have made a nice crypt with lake and mini houses. Also, there is a big star saying Merry Christmas, and of course, the birth of Jesus Christ. Oh, a nice structure saying Happy New Year 2024. They also made a new chapel here which looks great. We are now at Warka and they have made a huge Christmas tree. There are lots of big gifts here too. Looks nice. We are going to the crypt now, so this is the way to the crypt at Warka Church. There is a nicely decorated stage here. I think there is an event related to Christmas. Oh nice, they have a classical dance with the Christmas music. Really interesting.
piknik सुरू जायचा त्या दिवशी ना चालू असतात त्यांना जायचे त्रास पडतात तो सगळं कसं
Now we are at the main crypt at Varka. They have life-size sculptures of the three kings and Jesus. It's Barista. There is lots of crowd here, guys. Everybody wants to see the crypt. Oh, so they enacted a scene from the life of prominent figures from Christianity. And here we are at the Saint Francis Xavier scene, which is there. Saint Francis Xavier is a well-known priest from Goa who came from Italy and settled down here, spreading Christianity in Goa. Straight. Oh, Francis Xavier. That's the boat on which Francis Xavier came to Goa. On April 7, 1506. So after looking at many such scenes inside the crypt, we went home and had a good dinner with joy and happiness which we felt near the church in Varka. So guys, I'm continuing this vlog at Akshi or Agasam, Goa, where they have enacted really big crypt and plus they have 1000 stalactites all over the place. Can you believe it? Hornbill Bilala. It is a hornbill. Oh sorry, I think it's a woodpecker, not a hornbill. More भी कहलाऊंगा. There is a policeman also. There is peacocks. There are peacocks. 2 peacocks. There is the birth of Jesus Christ. The scene is enacted quite nicely. There's a lapia too. Yeah, it's a lapia only. Oh, yeah, the घर Christmas father is on the bridge. Oh, wood boy. Cuckoo's nest. Nest, killer nest. खोया था थांगेला दिसता घर ते रेस्टोरेंट असं हे रेस्टोरेंट इतने बरें केला म्हणटा लोक येवन रावपाक In India, this bike is very famous, Royal Enfield. सगळे frozen fish. Oh, vamos gaya poi. Rasha Lasto. Oh, Francis. I'm not in the mood to eat, but let's go and check out the restaurant. Oh, hello. Yeah, that's it, guys. I am here to check the 1000 stars which they are talking about all over Goa. Looks quite amazing, guys. Really nice. 1000 here. 1000 stars. 1000 stars. 800 cross. तुम्ही केला अंकल व्यवस्था क्रिसमस वाला डांस करता There are white stars and there are yellow stars. A dancing Christmas father. So that there are more than 800 stars here. Some people are also counting them because there is a special prize if you get the correct number of stars. After roaming around for a while, we call it a day and went home, guys. Before I go, I want to know what would you like to see more from my side. See you guys. Bye.